Hey, what's up? I just bought a 5-wing LED deformable LED lamp. I'm gonna use it in my garage. I got a 5-wing, so I'm just gonna show you which light it is. It says 120, 6500K right there. 120 watts. Let's say 85% saving energy. Like a 12,000 lumens brightness. Shoo. Let's see how bright it is. Oh, that's right. It's freaking bright. Dude. Now already installed on that side, we're gonna install on this side. Let's see how bright both. I don't really like this. Yeah, so they can't get all the lights in everywhere. Like that. Yeah. That's what I said. I'll install both of them. Let's see how bright it's there right now. Damn. It's so bright. I like it. I like it. I'm satisfied. Yeah. Oh, wow. 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 It's bright. I think I need more for this side, but yeah, it's kind of deep, but I like it though. Wow. Wow, it's just wow. Recommended. Nice.